Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own non-profit in North Carolina. I believe as the owner of non-profit, we should focus on running the non-profit, providing value to people. We shouldn't care too much about accounting, administration, and also how to start a company. We should outsource it. So because then we're losing the focus and it goes everywhere and then we are nowhere. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on a link. When you're going to click on the link, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is a company that is going to help us start our own non-profit in North Carolina. So here you want to click Start My Business, and then you want to switch the LLC to non-profit, and then state of formation, just find here North Carolina, and then you're going to have the free packages. As you can see, you can easily start for $63, in which you would have pre-registered agent service, unlimited name searches, preparing, filling articles of organization. But I would recommend going with at least gold package, only because you're going to have covered everything there. Business tax consultation, online access dashboard, banking resolution, corporation bylaws, business tax number, IRS form, everything here. Then you're going to have the platinum package, and with the platinum package, you're going to have three things: the business contract templates, expedited filling, and domain name business email. So I would recommend going with the gold package. Yes, with the platinum you're gonna have the expedited filling, that your non-profit will be filled faster, but later when you're gonna press gold, you will have option to upgrade just for the filling part. So here click get the gold package. Then you're gonna have a first name, last name, email. So I'll write it right here. Okay, then I have phone number here. So I'll just write it here, and then you have to add a street address. So city and North Carolina and zip code. Now when you have it, press next. Then you're gonna have, should your non-profit corporation have members? This is important because most small non-profits elect not to have a formal membership structure, and thus avoid documenting and maintaining membership roles, as well as avoiding the time and expense of having the members to vote on directors and other major corporate decisions. So I would recommend the non-profit will not have members, because then you're not going to have too much administration to do. And then you're gonna have the general purpose on of non-profit. You're going to have the public benefit corporation, 96% selection rate, or if it's going to be a religious corporation. So you're going to choose here. Then you would press next here. Then you see the state filling time. So as you can see, for $50, you can have faster filling time comparing to the 5 weeks. So I can simply click here 10 business days and click on it, and then I would click next. Then I see the non-profit name. So and here I need to add, let's say, Marcus marketing, and let's say I'm going to help starting entrepreneurs, and I'm going to guide them. So that's my non-profit designator. You're going to choose incorporate, limited, LTD, corporation. You choose it, and then number of directors. Let's say I'm going to be like 2 of us. 2 people in my non-profit. Business purpose, let's say marketing service for small business owners. And then I'm going to have an industry keyword. So here I'll, let's say, add marketing and marketing consulting services. Now you just write here the industry, and you do choose from the list. And business purpose, like let's say gonna help children to, I don't know, to school, and you want to provide non-profit there, so you'd write it right here, the business purpose. Company address information. So what you can do, you have an option to have your own professional business address. That means that you would maintain privacy by using commercial address, or if you want, you can use your own. That's completely up to you which one you're going to choose. And then you would click next here. You can also option, if you choose the gold package, to upgrade for the premium service package and have a business contract templates, domain name, and business email address. So this is something that you can do or don't need to do at all. And you'll click here like, no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity. Then you see directors. So you would fill all the directors here. How many added? Maybe you're just alone. And then you can have the president, CEO. So here I'm going to choose the president myself. And then I'm going to also add a secretary and treasurer. Okay, and when everything is good, then you click say next here. So you need to read about treasurer, secretary, what it means, and who you're going to assign for the role. Then you're going to have the registered agent information, and this is really important because Incfile is going to offer that are going to assign. You can assign Incfile as your registered agent, or you can act as your own registered agent. That's completely up to you. And when you will have it, you're going to click next. My recommendation is have it with Incfile because they will cover everything for you. Then you're going to have the tax identification number. So here you're going to have the Incfile will apply and obtain your AIN from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the AIN number. So it simply adds add the SSN number here and physical street address. So this is pretty straightforward what you have to do. Then you would press next here. And then you see you can open your own bank account with Bank of America. And the small business specialist would contact you, or not at this time. And then you would press next here. And then you're going to see the tax strategy free consultation. So this is something that I definitely recommend to have with the Incfile. So Incfile, when you choose the gold package, Incfile will help you with the non-profit, how it works, if you can have any questions regarding this. Completely for free, so I recommend having it. And then I would press next again here. And then you're going to have the review order. So then you're going to have the review order here, and when you're going to have everything understood and added, then you would press next again. And then you're going to have the billing information here. So add first name, last name, street address, city, card number, and this is pretty much how you can do it. And then you're filled out and your non-profit is on the way. And this is how you can easily start your own non-profit in North Carolina. So I hope I provided you a little bit of value. I know this video was a little bit fast, but you know, you can always stop the video, fill it out, and then continue. So this was a quick guide how you can start your own nonprofit in North Carolina. Hope you are going to have a great day. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.